Basically in February this year, several got together, 4 companies, Eagle Technologies, Hanson Mold, AccuDye, Mock Mold got together and said, hey, let's 15 years ago we did pre-apprenticeship academy, so let's look at doing that model again. The students are taking basic machining, basic CNC, blueprint reading, electrical, hydraulics and pneumatics, and getting industrial safety. You know, Kinexus was able to cover the tuition. These students are all getting paid to be here, so I think that's the biggest plus about that. You can go into sales, marketing, all those different things you can do to be successful in school.
I got involved with the program via Hanson Mold. They were accepting job applications. I went in, put in my application, sat down with an interview with the vice president of the company, the president of manufacturing, and their human resources gentleman. And they liked my work history, they liked my work ethic, so they called me back and accepted me into the pre-apprentice program. I enjoy working with my hands, and I've always been interested in tool and die. It's a common thing around this area. It's a really high demand trade. I would say it's something you need to look into if you're good at math, you like working with your hands, you like the achievement of taking something, you know, like a raw block and turning it into a piece of equipment. If you like that kind of stuff, this is probably your field. I mean, it's a good field for you.
I got hired in at Mock Mold, and then they sent me here to do the pre-apprenticeship program. I came in and I didn't know anything about it, and I was shadowing a gentleman who's been there for about 20 plus years at Mock Mold, and it made me realize that, you know, with hard work I could, you know, move up on the ladder and the chain and be a good mold maker. And it's great money, but it's not about the money. It's just about, you know, being able to make something and do something with yourself.
I'll probably be starting off doing some grunt work, stuff like that, as I work my up more experience and stuff. I'm doing machine tooling, CNC work like this, making molds and die castings. And I mean, I can also get my journeyman's and a degree like this. And I know Hanson was offering to help out with even the classes for my degree. Well, I'm already in college during the summer. I'm making good money while doing it too, while some of my friends haven't even had a job yet. Some are putting themselves $10,000 in the debt going to college. It's fun, it's always interesting. I'm always thinking, always focused. You know, sometimes it's long shifts, 8 to 10 hours, but with work like this, it's nothing. It makes the time fly by.